Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be reviewing this InStylish sponge. I just used it, that's why it's dirty, but yeah, they sent me these two sponges and let me tell you, I love it, especially the pink one, the new pink one, because it has these two parts where you can use this for baking your under eyes and blend it so you can get on the corners of your eyes, and this part is really good for blending the liquids, and this dark one is really good for contouring because as you can see, you can see that I blended the cream contour with this. So yeah, if you're interested to see how this looks on my face, then keep on watching. Hi everyone, so as you can see, I'm holding this two sponge. It's called Not Your Basic Duo Sponge. So the pink one is called two-sided makeup sponge in Rivera Rose. So this is really good for both under eyes and your face. As you can see, I'm blending out my face, and next I'm using it for concealer. So the bigger domed side is really good for buffing the concealer, and now I'm going to do the cream contour using the Makeup Revolution concealer and using it's called one-sided makeup sponge in macchiato. It's a dark color sponge which is really great for foundation and contouring. So yeah, so I'm using translucent powder with the Rivera Rose sponge, and I'm using the mini moon at side of the sponge to apply the translucent powder on my jawline and under eyes, and I'm going to wait few minutes, and now I'm just going to blend all it out using a brush. So yeah, the next step will be I will be patting it on my face so everything looks really well blended out. And yeah, this is the finished look. I loved using this sponge. Usually I don't use sponges at all unless I'm doing contouring on my makeup routine. So yeah, I think I will change up my routine from now on, since I've been loving the sponges for past 1 week now. And yeah, it costs around $12.99, but it's on sale on their website for $10. I will leave the website down below, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.